Okay, so today in class we talked about masonry, and surprise, surprise, the building that we have is going to be a CMU building for the most part. Okay, now you can see we have a lower area, we have a higher area, and what we're going to do with all of our exterior walls, we're going to change them into something that resembles our masonry units. Right now, though, these are just a generic 12-inch wall, where there's a lot that's going to change about this as we go forward, because it's not going to be a plain old block wall type of CMU like we saw. We're probably going to use more of a decorative or burnished, or perhaps in some areas a glazed unit as well. But we have to build these walls, and what we have to do is build a wall that will work. Okay, so how are we going to do that? Let's just go to the first floor and not use our ceiling plans. So let's go here and let's just click on a wall. And once we click on it, when we go to edit type, what we can do now is either duplicate this wall, or we could turn this wall into one of the existing masonry walls that are out there, like brick on CMU or brick on metal stud. However, that would be too easy. And none of these really match what we're going to do, okay? So what we're going to do is build our own. However, you can always pare back from other walls too if you like, but I want you to get the experience of building it. So we're going to click on structure, right? But before we do that, we're going to duplicate, and we're going to call this ADCG 259 CMU. Right? That's why we know it's the one we built for this project. And we can rename it if we need to later. So we're going to go in here right now and we're going to go into this category. And for the structural part of the category, right, we're going to click there. And hopefully we're going to bring up something that's going to resemble a CMU. Let's see if we can find something with CMU. All right, concrete masonry units. Good. So when we grab that, look how it gives us the pattern we need and the diagonal crosshatch we need, right? So right here, we're going to hit OK. And now that whole 12-inch unit is going to be what? Concrete masonry unit. I'm going to pause the video so we can talk about something. So what we discussed is that in this wall, this thickness, it needs to be what? 7.625. Now, if I press enter right now, it's going to be all jacked up. So I have to put 0 space 7.625, okay? And then I can hit enter, and there's my 7 5/8. Now, I've got to do something, or else my wall's not going to be 12 anymore. So if I've got that CMU, where would I put that CMU in the construction if I wanted to show? It has to be up above. So there's going to be a different composition to this wall than maybe we thought. What's going to go behind the CMU, right? And those are the kinds of things that we have to think about, because if I just hit OK right now, right, look how much smaller that wall got. It doesn't match that 12 anymore. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and stop the video. I'm going to let you get caught up to me, and then we're going to continue to develop that wall. Okay.